This is tech number 862. We're at Linda Rowland's home in Chicago. We have some stairs here. We're going to be putting in a 80% furnace, so we're going to need 2 guys to probably carry that down from right there. Are there any cats at all in the building? There are no cats in the building. So this is the unit right here. We're going to be replacing this guy out, and we're going to be putting in an 80% as well. We might need to replace some of this flue work right here. There is the filter. We do have a lot of room in the back. Pretty standard job. If you have any questions, just let me know. Tech number 862.